Imagine a phone that can search anything just by drawing a circle, translate phone calls live, and taking amazing photos. This is the Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it is one of the smartest phone of 2024. Today in this video, I will show you that why you should buy this in 2026. So starting off with the design and display, the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks premium and strong. It has 6.8-inch flat display which is great for using the S Pen, and the screen is very bright and sharp and smooth. And not only that, Samsung has added a stronger glass that reduces the reflections and protect it from scratches. It also has this anti-reflective layer in the screen. If we talk about the battery, so the battery is 5000 mAh if you get it brand new, but if you get it used, so the battery timing might vary. And if you talk about the charging, so it has 45 watt of super fast charging available. If you talk about the performance, so there are no performance issues with this device. It has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 12 gigabytes of RAM. If we talk about the storage sizes, so it comes in 3 different variants. First one is the 256GB, the second one is 512, and the third one is 1TB. Also keep in mind that there is no expandable storage, so you cannot add a memory card later. If we talk about the software support, so Samsung promises 7 years of software support, and it is on the latest security patch of January 1st, 2026. Also, it will get the latest One UI 8.5 update as well. If we talk about the One UI 8.5 update, so it is expected to bring major visual changes like liquid glass effects and a fully customizable panel and some enhanced Galaxy AI features as well. If we talk about the display of this device, so it has 2600 nits of peak brightness with a 6.8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display. Also, it comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass with the anti-reflective layer, with the 120Hz of refresh rate and the special coating to enhance the visibility in harsh sunlight. And if you talk about the cameras, so it has a 200 megapixel of main camera with 5x and 3x zoom lenses and an ultra wide camera. The photos are sharp, clear and natural. Also the night photos are much better and zoom quality is excellent. For the video recording, it supports 8K in 30 frames per second, and it also supports now HDR10+. If you talk about the design, so it has this titanium build with this boxy design. As now the Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with some round edges, but for me I really like this boxy design as it is more grippy in hand. So in the end, the S Pen, the cameras, the titanium build, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the Galaxy AI features are some of the reasons to consider this device in 2026. Let me know your thoughts on this device in the comment section below, and if you're new to this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.